Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the interesting things that Microsoft said this week, it's the fact that it would seem that Windows 11 24H2 is the most stable version of Windows yet. So I would like to do a survey among regular people on that one for multiple reasons. I'm pretty sure that as the tweaks have gone by and as the fixes have gone by since it's been released, that it's probably much improved. There's a big percentage of people never had issues with it, but still, it is the version of Windows that had the most complaints of all sorts of issues. And this is just funny to see that Microsoft's now trying to push it as the best version and most stable version that exists now. Of course, we'll go to 25H2 where most of the update will be a very small update and promises to be fast and, of course, stable. I think they're not taking any chances because they've been hit hard. And, of course, there's a couple of blockers also that have been removed. One about the anti-cheat that would make blue screens. All of that are pretty much fixed. But we have to say that I would guess a lot of people would look at this and say, yeah, well, you know what? I'm not sure about still moving to 24H2. And there's a lot of people I see actually mentioning this in the comments. I'm not sure. I want to move to 24H2 because I had problems when I moved there. I had issues. And, of course, of what all people hear, and people are kind of holding on to 23H2. I'd like to see statistics on the percentage of machines that are on 24H2 versus 23H2 right now. I would guess that as time goes by and as Microsoft pushes versions, 24H2 probably is dominant now, but I don't know. It's always funny when Microsoft has to say that now 24H2 is the most stable version. I guess they are trying to give a message to people that are maybe still scared of moving on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.